Good afternoon, everybody. This is Gary Cooper with Exit Advisors. Come check us out, exitadvisors.com. Today, we're going to talk about what is your number? Okay, what are investment tactics after the transaction? And is your business really that asset that's going to supply you with retirement? I've always told my clients, you really need to save on the way. It's really, really important. Find a way to put back funds on the way as you're building your business, as you're sustaining your cash flow, and that's going to be part of your retirement. The other part is going to be the exit strategy. It's going to be selling your business. So once you sell your business, obviously that money is going to be used, what we call on the other side. So first and foremost, what is your number? Okay, really, really important to get the greed out of the transaction. We just had a client. They could have gotten $19 million. Well, they wanted $25 million. And really with COVID, there were some things that really reduced the price of the business. But really the question was, and that I asked, what can you do with $19 million? Net of taxes, it's $15 million. Possibly in 2022, that could be $12 million because of the Biden Tax Act. So what is your number, and really look at what that can do for you in your life, because sometimes you're trading different forms of time. Instead of working 3,000 hours a year, you're with your grandkids, you're with your family, you're enjoying life. So there's a trade-off. There's got to be some kind of balance. Okay, so looking at this, let's kind of back up just for a second. Market timing. That can be really critical. And I do want to dovetail into this because that is an important factor. There can be times where the market's at its peak. I mean, your business could be going and the tax rates could be such. Maybe it's not time for you mentally to sell your business, but I got to tell you from a financial perspective, maybe it is time. So having that plan together to say, what is my strategy? What is my strategy when I sell my business? What am I going to do? Am I going to build another business? Am I going to invest the money? I'm going to live on an annuity? What is it? So that's something to put in plan together. It's really smart to get a good financial advisor and get a good consultant. Let them help you. You need to put the estate plan together for your family. So have that team, once again, of professionals who can help you determine what to do with your money. The ongoing succession plan is also going to be beneficial as you move through this process, because you need to keep this target going and say, okay, my business is worth this today. Can I retire on this? Let's say it's over. You sell it. You get the transaction done. You pop champagne bottles, everything. Everybody's happy. Now it's like a second stage of life. What are you going to do? All right, first of all, pick the right financial advisor, somebody you get along with, somebody that's like-minded and wants to invest the money the way that you think is appropriate. Go in. Think a little bit safe now, okay? You're an entrepreneur. I know you've been living on the edge. You've been going through all the risk and saying, man, I'm risk averse and I'm going to go out and make it happen. Well, make sure that you leave enough out there to make life happen and get that invested correctly. Now, here's some mistakes that can be made. You're going to be a target because now you got money. Guess what? Everybody who wants investment capital is going to be knocking on your door. And I tell you what, there's more deals than money. So make sure that you do have that money properly invested. You don't go out and risk all of it. I tell people, set yourself up like a small Ameritrade account or something that you can play with a certain piece of the money and enjoy that. But keep most of it safe that you can live a good, sustained life. Okay, so can selling the business be that? It can. You're building an asset. You got to keep that in mind when you're building your business. You're also building an asset that's going to basically be your retirement vehicle. So, yeah, there's other ways that you can do this. You can sell it to your staff. You can sell it to family members. You can sell it to a third party. But in any account, you ought to think of yourself this one time and say, okay, I got to have enough money to sustain my lifestyle and do it right. So hopefully this has helped. It's helped with the way you should utilize your money, save on the way, invest it properly. Gary Cooper with Exit Advisors. Come check out our website. Have a great day.